There's a fire that's been burning since 1962 in Centralia, Pennsylvania. A coal mine accidentally caught fire underground. They thought it would burn out in a few hours, but the fire spread deep beneath the town. Over the years, the ground cracked, smoke poured out of streets, and homes sank. It became so dangerous that the government evacuated the entire town. And here's the twist: the fire is still burning today, over 60 years later. You can visit it, but it's like walking on fire. Follow History in Moments for more burning facts.